You do tend to be distracted with the camera rather than listening. Right, so fridge, you can operate this on electrical, gas, or 12 volts from the car. That is the on-off button there, so you just press and hold that and that switches it on or off.
Right. So is that on now?
Yeah, it's on now. The blue light's indicating it's on. The screen is asleep at the moment. I can just press any button, it'll just light it back up. It's run on gas. If I want to operate it on a different energy, press the left button. Oh, hit it twice. So that's electric.
And that'll take electric off the hookups and that, like wherever we go.
Exactly, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Or 12 volts, if that's attached to your car, if you've got depending on what fitting you've got on the back of your car, if you've got the grey, or it's a 13 pin, it depends what.
I know I need an adapter.
Yeah.
Gareth said I'm going to need an adapter. Okay. I've got two.
Yeah.
But he still said I need an adapter for something.
So if you've got two, that means you've got the grey one. The grey one will supply electric from your car when the engine's running to the fridge. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
So if it's on that setting, if you switch it on, put it to that setting, which is the battery one.
And I can drive with that, can't I?
Yes.
If I've got cold stuff I want to keep.
What you need to do is cool it down prior to travelling. Okay,
right.
If you can. That will not cool the fridge down on just that setting there.
No.
It'll just maintain the temperature. So as I said, you need to cool it down.
So if we're ever going somewhere in like in the afternoon, like get up in the morning.
Yeah.
And I do that from.
If you plug it into electric, you can cool it down. It's probably worth at least say 24 hours before you travel. And then it
if I'm at home on the drive, what do I plug it into?
Yeah. Well, you can plug it. You can get these adapters where if you can use your cable and plug it into your house, and it will provide power to cool it down.
Do they have like the cable you had outside?
Yeah.
I just thought they had them funny things on each end.
They have, but you can get an adapter for that as well, for a domestic type plug.
Oh, I didn't know if you could do that or not.
Yeah.
If it was just a case of chucking an extension out the window, that sort of thing.
Yeah. So you can have a plug on the end of it if you wanted to, as an extra adapter. Okay. So if you look at this now, it's flashing a blue light.
Yep.
It's showing a spanner. The reason why it's doing that on this one is because the car's not connected and the engine's not running. So it's saying it hasn't got the energy.
It's saying help. I want to change to something else.
That's it, yeah.
Right.
So if I press that, that is now lighting the gas.
Yeah.
Okay. If that happens with a blue light on there again and the spanner, that means the gas hasn't lit. Okay. So if it hasn't lit, it's the usual thing. Either you haven't turned your gas on, you've run out of gas, or again you may have air in it. So all you do is press and hold, switch it off, check them different things, give it a few seconds, then press and hold and switch it back on again.
Right.
And it should reattempt to light it. Okay?
Right.
Right. This side of it, I'll put it on electric because most people tend to.
That's all I'll understand.
Yeah, so it has got a memory, so when you switch it off, it will come back on that if you want. If you want to run on electric. This side of it is your temperature range. So all 5 lit. That's the coldest.
Oh, nice and cold. Right.
Yeah. Obviously, it's coming out frozen water, then it's obviously too cold. You just keep pressing it. It just goes round and round and round until you get the right setting.
Right.
Okay. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So just.
I think I'm taking on board the electric. I think.
Yeah, it's always useful to have electric.
Oh, yeah.
But while this flap's open down here, we'll just show you the rest of the consumer unit. Charger button. Okay, so as long as that's switched on and you've got 240 connected on the outside, it will charge your battery. Okay.
That's the leisure battery.
Yeah, so we'll charge your leisure battery. Yeah. This here is what's called reverse polarity. Like if you go on the continent. And obviously they wire things slightly different than what we do.
Yeah.
That is just an indicator light. So if you plug your electrics in, come and have a look. If it is lit, then that means you're going to need an adapter to operate off their electrics.
I probably won't bother going abroad.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Scared taking
right.
it home.
240 trips, okay, 12 volt fuses, and it's also got a system shutdown button. You can use that for when you're in storage, and that will shut all the 12 volt systems down. Okay.
Is that best to do? Is it when you're not using it?
Yeah, when you're not using it. When you're in storage for, say, 2 or 3 months or whatever, or over winter, you can shut that down, protects your battery.
Right.
Okay. Info notes there just to say what these are two are connected to.
Oh, cool.
All right. Okay.
I think.
All right. I'm going to say that they're the most difficult things. Obviously, cooker. I think everything else, obviously, slightly easier. 12 volt igniter there. Look. So it has also got a safety device on the lid.
So that you've got to have the gas on for that?
Yes, you definitely have to have gas.
Yeah.
Well, you have got an electric ring,
yeah.
but that's the only thing on the cooking side apart from the microwave. If you see that, I'll just knock them off, but it's got a safety device on the lid.
Oh.
So if it's not lighting, just make sure that is fully back, because it's got switches there, will shut the gas valves off. Okay?
Yep.
Grill.
That's cute.
Okay.
Oh, it's got a little grill pan in it.
Yeah, it's got a little grill pan, the handle's just inside there as well.
Lovely.
Obviously, it takes a while to cook up a bit of stuff if you've got a few mouths to feed, and then that's your oven.
Probably things like, I don't know, pizza or something in here.
Yeah.
Go and buy something, don't you?
That's it, right, yeah.
Put this up.
By the way, it looks in good condition. You
I
don't
look
cook
at
when
it.
you're away.
Probably not a lot of people tend to use them, but microwave, quite straightforward. Push the button to open it. Do not travel with glass plate in, because if that does bounce out and drops on there,
Right.
there's going to be tears. Okay? So
It's best to store that somewhere else.
It could be expensive tears, yeah. My wife tends to put it in the
That's a good idea.
the bowl with the tea towel wrapped around it, but you can put it there, obviously, as long as
Right.
it's got beans all over it or something. Right, straightforward microwave. It's just on and off, which I like them.
And that runs off gas or electric?
No, electric.
Electric,
Only electric.
right.
yeah, that doesn't have a gas option. Okay, I'm just going to check that light works above your head. Yeah. Got an extractor fan. It will draw air in or out on that, on that switch there. Okay, you can also change speed. There's a fair speed difference on that.
So if you burnt your toast...
Yeah, that's probably a good idea, because especially with the smoke line just above you, behind your head.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, this here opens the vent outside. Okay, so just make sure it is closed before you travel.
Right.
Okay.
You get a lot of whistling or something, or...
Yeah. Right, well, yeah. When you're travelling, if you've got it slightly open, if it gets a bit drafty, it might rip the thing off.
Ooh.
So it's probably best to keep it.
Cost you a few quid.
Yeah, definitely. Right. Bathroom. You look at the toilet. Electric flush in the toilet. All you do is press and hold it.
Well, that's cute.
That takes water out of your flush reservoir and obviously flushes the toilet. We talked before about the wastegate. Okay, so that is that to open it, to use it. Okay, and then obviously once you use it, you close it.
And you've just closed it, and then it enables you to grab that like you could before.
Exactly, yeah.
So when it's in use, you open it that way.
Yeah. So when you use it, obviously use it, flush it, shut it. Okay. Obviously, you're having kids about. If you're going to empty it, just make sure no one's using it while you're gone away. Yeah. Because you may end up with a little present when you get back.
Yeah.
Not the best place.
Like I said, we'll probably just use it at night if it took short or anything like that.
Exactly. Yeah. This here, it will light up when your waste tank's full. That will,
that's
that
handy.
will indicate.
I'm going to keep looking then, have you?
Yeah. Well, most of the time you can tell by when you open the wastegate, you'll see down there what the level is on it anyway.
Right.
Okay. I'll say shower's a shower.
Self-explanatory, is it?
Apart from, they've got a water saving device on the head. Okay. So if I open that up now, that shouldn't come out. He says, hopefully. Right. So I've opened the tap. It's just a mix of tap like that.
Yeah.
Because you've only got an Akrol outside, it's only 40 litres. If you have this on constantly, it's going to drain that down pretty quick.
Right.
Okay. So you can just wash a bit. It's a bit like a garden hose. So you only need the small amount of water to whatever you're going to wash. Or if you want to on it continuous, in that position, it'll run continuously.
If you do that, you're going to run out of water. Like I said, people use the shower blocks anyway,
exactly. Yeah. Okay. But the important thing with that is, for winter, make sure that is open, so as it is now. And you could take the unscrew the head and put it down in the shower tray, so it allows water to drain out. Any water held in that, and it freezes, you could be in trouble. So obviously that's only plastic. Is it plastic? Yeah, I think so. And obviously anything that's holding water in the winter and it freezes, you're going to be in trouble. Okay?
I think.
Okay, happy with that?
You're not having one in there? You can wait till we get
right. Well, inside here, inside the wardrobe, is your TV aerial. Oh. Okay, your TV aerial is up on top. What we got here is what is called a directional aerial. Loosen that off. That will allow you then to push it up. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Have a look to see where everybody else is pointing their aerial. This is obviously always a good idea to do that.
Copy everybody else.
Yeah, so obviously, hopefully they've got a TV signal. So you see that there, it says red spot denotes the front of the antenna. Okay, so you're thinking, well, they're pointing it that way.
So we'll put it that way.
Then push it up, lock it off. You can also change the angle of the top of it as well. So if they're on, everybody else on site is tipped it up that way, all you do is just wind that up. Just wind that up, and then it'll tilt the aerial that way. Just make sure it's flat before you bring it back down again. Yeah. Okay. Just bring that down.
You know your caravans, don't you?
Well, I've been caravanning myself for 10 years, but I've only been working here 2.5 years. There's a lot to learn. But obviously, you've got a lot to learn.
Yes, I've got loads to learn.
You're quite lucky, you're just doing it on one van. My next handover, you can see just outside there, that's my next handover.
What, that?
Yes. It's a trailer tent. I don't know if you've noticed in the showroom.
Yeah. Yes, I did.
Yeah. Well,
You've got to unfold all that and show me. Oh my.
Yeah, so I've got to open all that out. So that's going to be fun.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah, right. I think so. Yeah.
Just inside here is your handbook. So obviously very important. There's a lot of information in there about your van. It does do a few other different.
So anything you've explained to me today, I think.
Yeah.
Shit, what did he say?
Yeah, exactly. There's, as I said, there's a few different versions in here, so you'll find like different control panels. There's a lot of different control panels. You've got the basic one, which is easy to understand.
It's all on it, yeah. Basic.
There's a lot of other information for individual appliances as well in that pack.
Right. So everything you've basically told me,
yeah,
it should be in there.
Yes.
And I can like read back on it.
Yeah. If you are having any problems, you can obviously ring here. There's always someone here 7 days a week.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, obviously certain times of the day, but there's always somebody here.
There's always someone I can ask a question.
Yeah, exactly,
They can always, if they don't know, they can ask somebody else, can't they? Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Yeah.
Okay, right. Let's say Gav hasn't brought me the paperwork again.
He's
probably been wondering.
He
did. Yes, he did.
Yeah, I see the back of him.
That's always the best I can see. Right. So as part of your pack here, so that's your mirrors.
Oh yeah, lovely.
So I'll put that on here for now so I remember. Wastemaster, Act Roll. I don't know if you've got a list of all this stuff, but that's your pink chemical.
I did have a lift.
Pink and blue.
I left it at home.
That's your waste pipe. That's your cable. Okay, and obviously your gas and your battery.
So you can get like an extension from that to your house.
Yeah, well you can just get one. It's just it fits. Yeah, it is in that one. So it's that kind of fitting there with a short cable with a plug on it.
Yeah. Oh right.
And then you can just plug into. I've actually got that fitting on the side of my house.
Yeah.
So I can plug straight into it, which I was doing an exterior plug for me mower or strimmer or whatever it was at the time. I thought, oh, might as well have one then. More happy. Makes life easier to just plug into that then. And I just got an extra cable. So I've got a print running. Right, what we got here is your handover sheet. We just need to go through this now.
Do I still need to?
Right, just pause it for a second.
Oh.